Target Online gives you secure, direct access to detailed emissions records and advanced tools for emissions monitoring and leak detection. With features designed to provide early insights into maintenance and repairs, Target Online helps you minimize downtime and avoid unnecessary shutdowns. Let's take a closer look at how Target Online streamlines leak management, all while keeping you compliant with emissions regulations. The three main status updates you'll document in Target Online are first repair attempt, successful repair, and delay of repair. In Target Online, the process for each of these is simple and straightforward. On the dashboard, you'll find a widget showing leaks that require a first repair attempt. Since the time allowed to attempt or complete a repair varies based on applicable regulations, Target Online is designed to ensure compliance with a variety of regulatory requirements. Once a repair attempt has been made on a leak, you can update its status in Target Online. There are two ways to do this. You can search for the leak using its emission ID in the search bar, or you can find the leak in one of the widgets at the top. In both approaches, you'll see an action drop-down. Here, you can choose the outcome of your attempt, which will open a form for you to complete all the required information. Let's say your repair can't be completed by the due date. For example, if a facility shutdown is required for a leak to be fixed. In such cases, you'll need to apply a delay of repair. Simply find delay of repair in the action dropdown and fill out the essential information in that form to delay your repair. With Target Online, managing leak repairs and staying compliant has never been easier. Our platform provides everything you need to handle leak repair management with confidence and precision so you can stay ahead of repairs, reduce downtime, and maintain compliance with ease.